Here's the breakdown of 아름답고 황홀해. 1. 아름답고, from 아름답다, to be beautiful, and 아름답고, beautiful. And 2. 황홀해, from 황홀하다 equals to be ecstatic, enchanted, mesmerizing, overwhelming in beauty. Casual present tense is enchanting, is ecstatic, is mesmerizing. Full meaning, it's beautiful and mesmerizing, or beautiful and enchanting. Here's the breakdown of 반짝이는 내 각막은 다이아몬드, clear front 아몬데. 1. 반짝이는 easel, to sparkle, to shine, to glitter. Sparkling, shining. 2. 내, my. 3. 각막, cornea, the clear front popic marker. As for. 각막은, as for my cornea. 다이아몬드, diamond pronunciation of diamond. Full meaning, my sparkling cornea is a diamond. Or more lyrical, the sparkle in my eyes is like a diamond. Here's the breakdown of 규칙 없는 세계는 규칙, rule, regulation, order. From 없다 equal to not exist, 없는 without has no. 규칙 없는 equals ruleless, without rules. 세계는, 세계, world, and topic marker, as for the world. 세계는, as for the world. Full meaning, a world without rules, or as for a world with no rules. In Korean, adjectives act like verbs. They come at the end too. English, the apple is red. Korean, 사과가 빨개요. Literally, apple plus subject red is. Use connectors to combine. 그리고 and, 그래서, 써지만 그러나, but지만, although. Example, 나는 사과를 먹었어요. 그리고 배도 먹었어요. I ate an apple and I also ate a pear.